I recently had an outstanding experience shopping at Dronelora.com, and I can confidently say it has become one of my favorite destinations for high-quality drones and accessories. From the very first moment I landed on the website, I was impressed by its clean, modern layout and intuitive navigation, which made browsing smooth and enjoyable. The categories are clearly organized, allowing both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts to quickly find exactly what they're looking for without confusion. Each product listing is detailed and informative, featuring comprehensive descriptions, technical specifications, feature highlights, and clear, high-resolution images that provide a true sense of what to expect. I especially appreciated how transparent the information was, helping me make a confident and informed purchasing decision without second-guessing. The checkout process was seamless and secure, with multiple convenient payment options that made the transaction quick and hassle-free. After placing my order, I received prompt confirmation and timely tracking updates, which gave me peace of mind throughout the shipping process. My package arrived right on schedule, and the drone was carefully packed to ensure it reached me in perfect condition. The attention to detail in packaging reflected the company's professionalism and commitment to customer satisfaction. When I finally unboxed and tested the drone, I was genuinely impressed by its build quality, sleek design, and advanced functionality. The flight performance is smooth and stable, with responsive controls that make maneuvering effortless even for someone who isn't a professional pilot. The camera quality is equally remarkable, capturing crisp, vibrant footage with impressive clarity and stabilization. Beyond the product itself, what truly sets Dronelora.com apart is their exceptional customer service. I reached out with a few pre-purchase questions, and their support team responded quickly with clear, knowledgeable, and friendly guidance. It's rare to find a store that combines top-tier products with such attentive support. Additionally, the overall value for money is excellent. The pricing feels fair and competitive considering the level of technology and performance offered. Whether you're purchasing a drone for professional aerial photography, recreational flying, content creation, or simply exploring a new hobby, Dronelora.com provides a trustworthy and satisfying shopping experience. Their commitment to quality, reliability, and customer care makes them a standout choice in the drone market, and I would wholeheartedly recommend them to anyone looking to invest in a dependable and high-performing drone.